In this session, we'll be having a look at Survey String Manager's Edit Codes form. First off, open Survey Strings Manager. Once open, there are two ways to open up the Edit Codes interface. First, you are able to select any line work in the drawing, right-click, and go Edit Codes to open up Edit Codes with the points in that line work already pre-populating the form. The other way to do so is under Home, you will find the Edit Codes command. This will open up the Edit Codes interface with all points currently in the drawing being loaded in. Now, you are able to filter this interface through the Filter By section. Firstly though, you're going to want to go to this tab here and select a parameter for it to follow. I highly suggest using the first code for this one, as we'll be using this in an example shortly. Once you have selected first code, you are able to filter by the first codes within the drawing currently. This is reading the point description and looking for anything before the first space in the drawing as outlined by the point file format that we set up at the start. Now we are going to look for 102 with a string of 12. Enter this as one single code and you will see that it will now filter out any points that do not have the point description 102.12. With these loaded in, you are now able to edit any of these points individually by clicking into the cell and then being able to edit it from there. If you wish to replace all of them at once, you are able to go Replace Selected, highlight all the points you wish to edit, enter the new value you wish it to be changed to, and then check to make sure that we are changing the correct parameter. In this case, we wish to change the string number of the first code, not the first code itself. So we want to change this to string number. So we're going to select the string number under first code. Now we want to replace 12 with 13, so go Apply, and you'll see that the string number has now updated to be string number 13. This will be reflected in the drawing. However, if you find it isn't, you can run compute and refresh to manually update it.